and welcome to Craft Makers. My name is Richard Von Brush. I am an artist. Dare I say, the best artist in the land, and between you and me, I'm much better than Banksy. Banksy doesn't wear a hat. Only true artists wear ridiculous hats. Like me. Now, let's get our craft on. Because today we are making watercolor Easter eggs. Come, join me! Some thick blank paper, salt, PVA glue, a selection of watercolors, paintbrush. Now, seeing as that's everything, let's craft on. So take your card, place it down, make sure it's blank, obviously. Take a pen, like so, and draw your egg upon the paper, like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because art itself is not perfect. So there's your egg, but you don't want to just do that, you want to make it good. So I suggest a little pattern like so. Ooh, check me out. Do maybe a circle or two. Kinda looks like a face, but it's not. It's an egg with a couple of dots. But this is art, it can be a face. It looks like a very unhappy face, but still, we'll work with it. Now get your PVA glue, kapow! And go over the lines, like this. Right, you want to be very delicate. And see, you just trace over the lines with the glue, like this. So liney gluey, liney gluey, liney gluey, stop. And there's more lines, so more liney gluey, like so. As you can see, it's not perfect, it's never going to be, but that's art. Welcome to the world of arts and crafts, where nothing is perfect. There we go, you've covered all your lines in PVA glue. Now, here comes the messy bit. Grab your salt, kapow! And cover the PVA glue in the salt. Yes, like so. I told you it was messy. Make sure you cover all the glue. That's what you like to see. Salty glue. So make sure it's covered completely. There we go. So, as you can see, our egg is covered in salt. So yes, the salt is now being absorbed by the glue. Now, what you'll need to do, we're going to remove all the salt, so we need something to put the salt in. I am using a tray. So drop the tray down, carefully pick up your paper, and drop the salt in. So what we are left with is the salt covering the PVA glue. Now, here comes the super fun bit. Get your watercolors. For this, we have blue, red, yellow, and green. By all means, feel free to choose your own colours, it's fine. So first of all, I'm going to take the brush, dab it into the blue, and dab it on the salt. Oh, look what's happening there. And keep going, like so. I'm going to make a line across the salt, like so. Yes, see? The watercolours are being absorbed by the salt and the PVA glue. And we'll just do another colour, we'll say red. And then you get the red, like so. Yes. Yes, doesn't that look lovely? Yes. and you keep going. So we'll change colour again. We'll go green. So we're going green. Mix it in. That's it. That's it. There we go. And you continue like that until you've covered all the salt in your pretty colours. And here's one I made earlier. And there you have it, your colourful Easter egg. Thank you for watching. I have been the greatest artist on the planet, and you have been wonderful. See you next time.